Hi friends, we're back with motif number 19 from this Irish crochet book. Pattern looks like this and the motif looks like this. It's a 2-layer flower petal worked on padding cord. I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook to demonstrate how to make this pattern. Let's get into it. To start off with, we're going to go ahead and secure our yarn. I just tend to twist my yarn like this. We're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go ahead and slip stitch or single crochet in the first chain, like that. We're going to drop 12 single crochet in the center ring here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Go ahead and slip stitch or single crochet in the first chain, like so. So we've now got this ring that we're going to work petals around, and here is where we're going to add our padding cord. So what we're going to do is we're going to just slide the padding cord through this strand of yarn that we're working with. Now I do have a video up on how to use padding cord, why you use padding cord, the history behind it, and how to work it into your projects. So go ahead and check that video out. It's in this playlist, but I will carry on with this video as if you know how to use padding cord to an extent. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slip my yarn through it like this, and I'm going to pull my primary colour yarn through and literally just chain 1. So my padding cord is nice and secured. I'm going to control my padding cord with the lower part of my hand. The top part of my hand is going to be used to control the overlay yarn. So we're now going to go ahead and work our petals. Now we're going to work 20 single crochets around this padding cord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We're now going to slip stitch this into our base. So skip a stitch, skip that stitch, and in the next stitch, slip stitch, but don't forget the padding cord. Look, I'm just going to slip stitch around it like this because we need to carry the padding cord around because we're working on it. Here we go. That's the first petal. Now we need 6 petals for the first layer, and then we're going to do the second layer later. So I'm going to do one more with you. So look, the padding cord is right there, and I'm going to start to single crochet around it. So single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And again, skip the first stitch and slip stitch into the base like this. So we've now got two petals. I'm going to crack on and do these off camera because I'm trying not to make this video like a half an hour long. So I will meet you when I get back here to talk about the second row. So you're doing 20 single crochets around the padding cord, and we're just working around the base like that. Your work should be looking something like this. So I've got 6 petals joined to the center like that. We're now going to go ahead and add in our second row. Second row is pretty much the same as what you've already done. What we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch our way. Whoop. I've got the padding cord on the wrong side. So we're going to slip stitch our way into the center of the first petal that you see, but we need to go behind it. So just going to jump another stitch like that. We're now going to repeat the exact same pattern, and we're going to end up slip stitching in the middle of this petal behind it. So I'm going to head and single crochet 20 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm heading on over to the center of the next petal, and we're going to slip stitch like that and just give the padding cord a little bit of a pull. So your work should be looking something like this. Okay, I'm going to do another one with you, and then I'm going to crack on off camera. So again, 20 single crochet, 4, okay, so I'm there, slip stitch behind it in the center of the next petal like that. So let me just show you what the work should be looking like. So you're going to have your visible first row on top, and then right behind it you've got your second row like that. I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera, then I'm going to come back and show you the finished result. So your work should be looking something like this. Really, really nice defined 3D flower motif that we have here. And if you wanted to stitch this into your work, of course you would be stitching the back posts, like netting it down, so you would have this really nice 3D effect on top, almost like a floating flower. Now with the cord and the thread, you're going to snip it, grab a darning needle, tie a little knot here and weave it through your work. I'm not going to demonstrate that because I'm only making this piece for demonstration purposes and I don't want to waste yarn. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Please go ahead and check out tutorials 1 through to 18. They're very much there because I'm working through the entire book. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.